गजाननं भूतगणादिसेवितं कपित्तजम्बूफलसारभक्षितम् उमासुतं शोकविनाशकारणं नमामि विघ्नेश्वर पादपङ्कजम्। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। सर्वं खल्विदमेवाहं नान्यदस्ति सनातनम्। सर्वं खल्विदमेवाहं नान्यदस्ति सनातनम्। सर्वं खल्विदमेवाहं नान्यदस्ति सनातनम्। अरुणां करुणातरङ्गिताक्षीं धृतपाशाङ्कुशपुष्पबाणचापाम् अनिमादिभिरावृतां मयूखैः अहमित्येव विभावये भवानी। We'll do the revision from Gurumurti. गुरुमूर्तिर्गुणनिधिर्गो माता गुहजन्मभूः देवे श्रीदण्डनीतिस्थान्तहराकाशरूपिणी प्रतिपन्मुख्यराकान्ततिथिमण्डलपूजिता कलात्मिका कलानाथा काव्यालापविनोदिनी सचामररमावाणी सव्यदक्षिणसेविता आदिशक्तिरमेयात्मा परमा पावनाकृतिः अनेककोटिब्रह्माण्डजननी दिव्यविग्रहा क्लीङ्कारी केवला गुह्या कैवल्यपददायिनी। We did till here. Any questions?
Clear, Aunty.
Clear. So we understood that Amma is the one who is ruling all the universes of the cosmos. So Aneka Koti Brahmanda Janani, and everybody are just following her order. Klinkari Kevala Guhya, she is the only one energy. Kevala means only one, and secretive Guhya, and Kaivalya Padadayini, she helps us step by step to move towards realizing ourself. Kaivalya is the ultimate destination that we all have to reach. Let's do the new verses. Who would like to chant with me? Sri Harsha Praharsha. Okay. Nice dresses, both of you.
They're made out of stripes.
Okay, let's start. Repeat after me twice.
Okay.
Tripura,
Tripura, Tripura,
Trijagat,
Trijagat, Trijagat, Trijagat,
Vandya,
Vandya, Vandya,
Tripura, Trijagat, Vandya,
Tripura, Trijagat, Vandya, Tripura, Trijagat, Vandya,
Trimurti,
Trimurti, Trimurti,
Tridasheshwari,
Tridasheshwari, Tridadeshwari, Tridadeshwari,
Dasha, Tridasheshwari,
Tridasheshwari,
त्रिमूर्तिस्त्रिदशेश्वरी त्रिदशेश्वरी त्रिदशेश्वरी
त्रिदेश्वरी
just say tridasha
त्रिदशा
again
त्रिदशा
ईश्वरी
ईश्वरी
again
ईश्वरी
त्रिदशेश्वरी
त्रिदशेश्वरी त्रिदशेश्वरी
very good त्रिमूर्तिस्
त्रिमूर्तिस् त्रिमूर्तिस्
त्रिदशेश्वरी
त्रिदशेश्वरी त्रिदशेश्वरी
त्रिपुरा त्रिजगद्वन्द्या
त्रिपुरात्यजगद्वन्द्या त्रिपुरात्रिजगद्वन्द्या
त्रिमूर्तिस्
त्रिमूर्तिस् त्रिमूर्तिस्
त्रिदशेश्वरी
त्रिदशेश्वरी त्रिदशेश्वरी
त्र्यक्षरी
यक्षरी त्यक्षरी
दिव्य
दिव्य दिव्य
गन्धाढ्या
गन्धाढ्या गन्धाढ्या
दिव्यगन्धाढ्या
दिव्यगन्धाढ्या दिव्यगन्धाढ्या
सिन्दूर
सिन्दूर सिन्दूर
तिलकाञ्चिता
तिलकाञ्चिता तिलकाञ्चिता
सिन्दूरतिलकाञ्चिता
सिन्दूरतिलकाञ्चिता सिन्दूरतिलकाञ्चिता
त्र्यक्षरी दिव्यगन्धाढ्या
त्यक्षरी दिव्यगन्धाढ्या त्यक्षरी दिव्यगन्धाढ्या
It is त्र्यक्षरी. Tra ra sound should come. I hear only त्यक्षरी. It should come like trya. Okay? Say that again. त्र्यक्षरी
त्र्यक्षरी दिव्यगन्धाढ्या त्र्यक्षरी दिव्यगन्धाढ्या
सिन्दूरतिलकाञ्चिता
सिन्दूरतिलकाञ्चिता सिन्दूरतिलकाञ्चिता.
Very good. So these are little difficult words, right? All three, Trakshari and all. So with practice you will get it. No problem. So what here these verses say is Tripura. Amma is all three, right? Tripura Sundari. Amma is the beauty in all the three worlds. So she is called Tripura. Why? Because she is ruling the, Pura means place. So she is ruling the three places, the three worlds. The world that is on top of us, the world where we are living, and the world that is below us. Or we can also say that Bhuhu, Bhuvaha, Suvaha. Or the body, mind, intelligence. So everything is 333, right? So she is Tripura, Trijagat. Trijagat means also worlds. So three worlds, she is the one who is ruling. She is spread in all the three worlds. Tripura, Trijagat, Vandya. And all the people, all the beings in those three worlds are doing Vandanam of Amma. Vandya means they are all worshipping her. Because everybody needs her, right? We all need energy. And so we all pray her. We all worship her. Then Trimurtis Tridasheshwari. So Amma is also Trimurti. Who are the three Murtis that we know? Three Murtis. Any guess? Ah, what is it?
Durga Devi, Lakshmi Devi, and Saraswati Devi.
Yes. So they are the Shaktis. They are Shaktis of Trimurtis. Who are the three Murtis? Akshay, I wanted to say.
Auntie, is it Shiva, Lord Vishnu, and Lord Brahma?
Yes. So they are the three Murtis. So they are the male forms. And Saraswati, Lakshmi, and Durga Devi are the female energy forms. So three Murtis. So Amma is the energy. So three Murtis, Tridasheshwari. All the three is Amma only. The energies of Shiva, Vishnu, and Brahma are her. So correct. Trimurtis, Tridasheshwari. So and Tridasha means Dasha is state. So we are always in three states. We saw, right? Any guess?
Yeah.
Any guess which are the three states of our being? We are always in three states. So one state at a time. Not all the three at a time. So now we are in which state? Waking state. So we are all awake, right? So like that, Jagrat, Swapna, Sushupti. Three states were there. Are there. So in Jagrat we are waking. Swapna means we are in dream state when we sleep. And Sushupti means deep sleep state. We saw in earlier verses, Vishwarupa Jagarini, Swapanti Taijasatmika, Supta Pragnatmika, Turya Sarvavastha Vivarjita. So all the three states, she is the one who is there actually. So three dasha means three states, waking state, sleep state, dream state and deep sleep state. And she is the Ishwari. She is the one who makes it happen and makes us function in all the three states. Then she is Trekshari. So three means what? What is three? Three, number three. In Sanskritam also, it is three means three, number three. And in English also, it is three. Yes. So Trekshari, Amma is three-lettered. Amma is always three and Akshari means, Akshara is letter. So Amma is three-lettered. Her name is Trekshari. Which are the three-lettered word that we know? It is Om. It has three letters, A, U and So she is Trekshari because she is the ultimate energy, right? So she is the Parabrahma and she is the referred to as Trekshari. Also we can say Amma's mantras like Bala mantra and all is in three aksharas form. That we don't have to get into deep, but she is the energy of three, right? Three worlds, everything is three. So she is connected to the three-lettered Parabrahma, the Om. And Divya Gandhadya. Divya means divine. And Gandha is the fragrance. So she is the one to whom all the divine fragrances are applied. She is being worshipped, right, by all the devatas and all the energies in the Sri Chakra. They all do puja of Amma. They worship Amma. So they apply fragrances, they give bath to her, do the abhishekam, wear beautiful dresses on Amma. So all those divya gandha. So that fragrance is spreading. What is the real fragrance is the doing of good actions. Amma does good actions and that is why her fame is spread. So the characteristic of smell is what? To spread, right? So the smell spreads. So why it spreads? Only when it is beautiful, and also when it is bad smell, that also spreads. But here Divya Gandha. Divya means divine and beautiful fragrance. Which means Amma's actions, that she helps us in every way, she blesses us, her grace. So all that is spreading. Everybody wants Amma. So that Divya Gandhadya Sindura Tilakanchita. Amma is wearing that Sindura, which is the bottu that she puts. Tilakam. That is the Tilakam. Tilakanchita, the one who has put Sindura, is her name. Sindura, Aruna Vigraham, we say, right, in Dhyana Shloka. So she is always in red color and she has put that tilaka on the forehead. Any questions?
Clear, auntie.
Clear.
auntie.
Fine, then we'll repeat once. Trakshari Divya Gandha. No, sorry, earlier verse. Tripura Trijagadvandya Trimurtistridasheshwari Trakshari Divya Gandhadya Sinduratilakanchita. Next two verses. Who would like to chant with me? Surya Sitara, are you ready?
Okay, auntie.
You wanted to chant? Let's do. Uma Shailendra
Uma Shailendra, Uma Shailendra,
Tanaya
Tanaya, Tanaya,
Uma Shailendra Tanaya
Uma Shailendra Tanaya, Uma Shailendra Tanaya,
Gauri
Gauri, Gauri,
Gandharva Sevita
Gandharva Sevita, Gandharva Sevita,
Gauri Gandharva Sevita
Gauri Gandharva Sevita, Gauri Gandharva Sevita,
Uma Shailendra Tanaya
Uma Shailendra Tanaya, Uma Shailendra Tanaya,
Gauri Gandharva Sevita
Gauri Gandharva Sevita, Gauri Gandharva Sevita,
Vishwagarbha
Vishwagarbha, Vishwagarbha,
Swarnagarbha
Swarnagarbha, Swarnagarbha,
Vishwagarbha Swarnagarbha
Vishwagarbha, Swarnagarbha, Vishwagarbha, Swarnagarbha,
Varada
Varada, Varada,
Vagadishwari
Vagarishwari, Vagarishwari,
Correct. Vishwagarbha Swarnagarbha
Vishwagarbha, Swarnagarbha, Vishwagarbha, Swarnagarbha,
Varada Vagadishwari.
Varada, Vagarishwari, Varada, Vagarishwari.
Very nice. So here comes the story of Parvati Devi or Amma. So she is called, Amma is called as Uma. So in this story, what happens? Shiva was always doing meditation, right? And then Parvati Devi, she took the form of Parvati Devi and then she wanted to meditate now because she wants to please Lord Shiva. Also in between, Kama was killed, right? Was put into ashes. He turned into ashes. So now there is no love also. Kama means the love. So to please Lord Shiva, Shiva won't be attracted with all physical things. He wants only the self-realization and connecting to self and all those things, meditation. So Parvati Devi decides, I want to go and do meditation. Only then Shiva will like me. So she goes. But her mom, who are mom and dad of Parvati Devi? Yeah, Sitara?
I only know the dad.
Okay. Who is he?
Himavan, King
Yeah.
Himavan.
Yes. Super. Good. So Himavat Parvatam, the Mount Himalaya is the dad of Parvati Devi. So, and her mom is Menaka Devi. Okay. So Himavan and Menaka Devi, they doesn't want her child to go, right? Who wants their child to go to forest and meditate, leaving all the good pleasures instead of enjoying? See, Himalaya is the king of all the mountains. Himavat Raja, like Parvata Raja. And she is the princess. And she wants to leave everything and just go into the deep forest and meditate on Lord Shiva. So parents won't like. They say, then mother says, oh ma, like that. She can't even get the words from her mouth. So, oh, like that she says. Oh, ma means no. In Sanskritam, ma means no. So she says ma, oh ma, like that. So that's how Parvati Devi gets the name Uma. So Uma Shailendra Tanaya. Shaila Indra. Indra means Lord. And Shaila means mountains. So she is the daughter. Tanaya means daughter. Now you can connect to the story. So she is the daughter of Himalaya, right? So Shailendra means Himalayas. So she is the Shailendra's daughter. Indra means Lord of all the mountains. So Shailendra Tanaya. She is the daughter of Shailendra. And she is Gauri. She is also Gauri. Gauri is Parvati Devi, who is so pure and white in color. Gauri means beautiful, fair complexion is Gauri. So which means she is the purest one. Only knowledge can be pure, right? Purest thing is the knowledge. That's why Saraswati Devi is also in white color. So Gauri Devi represents that knowledge of self. And she is Gandharva Sevita. Gandharvas are the ones who are connected to the energy of music and musical instruments. So they are the Gandharvas. So they are all worshipping Amma. Because this knowledge comes from Amma only. All the words, the music is played because of the sounds, right? So sound energy is Amma. All the sounds, the letters in Sanskritam, from A to Ha, everything is the sound energy of Amma only. So they all worship her. Then, oh, that's all. So, no, then she is Vishwagarbha. Next name of Amma is Vishwagarbha. Garbha means the fetus, like that. So she is the Vishwagarbha. She gives birth to the whole cosmos, the whole universe, the Vishwa. She is carrying all of us, right? She is the one who is protecting us, nourishing us, and well, we are all covered in her womb, in her stomach, or whatever we say, in her enclosure, in her love, we are all covered, and she is giving birth to all of us. So Vishwagarbha, Swarnagarbha. Swarna means color. Varna also means all these letters. Okay, letters are called Varnas. So Swarna, Suvarna becomes Swarna. So all the beautiful sounds that we hear is all the energy of Amma only. So and she is Swarna Garbha. So from Amma only all the letters and sounds also came. So she is giving birth. So Garbha again came. So she is giving birth to all the sounds and letters also. So whatever we see in the world, whatever we hear, everything is because of Amma only. It is her energy that is expressed as sound. That it is her energy that we see as this world. So it is said like Drushya Prapancha and Shabda Prapancha. Means whatever we see, whatever we hear, all the names and forms are nothing but Amma's energy. They all emitted and expressed from Amma. And she is Varada. Varada means she blesses. She blesses with what? All these energies. And Vak Adhishwari. She is the Ishwari, Lord of Vak. Vak means speech. Again, the sound energy. So whatever we are speaking, whatever sounds we are hearing, everything is controlled by her. She is moving inside us, within us, and she is the one who is bringing this sound out. So she is blessing us with this knowledge. Only when we have knowledge we can speak. So she is that knowledge who is blessing us, and she is the one who is making us speak, because she is the Ishwari. She is the Vag Adhishwari. So Vishwagarbha, Swarnagarbha, Varada, Vagadhishwari. Any questions in these two verses?
Clear.
Clear? Okay, we'll chant together. Uma Shailendra Tanaya Gauri Gandharva Sevita Vishwagarbha Swarnagarbha Varada Vagadhishwari. Okay. Who would like to chant all the 4 verses together? Not together, individually. Okay, Sri Harsha Praharsha.
Tripura Trijagadvandya Trimurtistridasha Tridasheshwari Triakshari Divyagandhatya Sindhuratilakanchita Uma Shailandra Tanaya.
No. You have to take the sound that is in the bracket. Okay. Shailendra Tanaya.
Shailendra Tanaya Gauri Gandharva Sevita Vishwagarbha Swarnagarbha Varada Vagadhishwari.
Yes. So ka sound becomes ga. Okay. When we combine with a, so the ka becomes ga. So that's why vak becomes vag. Vagadhishwari we say. Okay. Very good. Good chanting. Nice. Okay, Surya.
Tripura Trijagadvandya Trimurtistridasheshwari Trekshari
Yes.
Trekshari Divyagandadya Sindhura Tilakanchita Uma Shailendra Tanaya Gauri Gandharva Sevita Vishwagarbha Swarnagarbha Varada Vagadhishwari.
Very nice. So it is Sindhura. We should not elongate. Wherever it is only one A, Sindhuratilakanchita, like that. No ragam. Okay. Good. Sitara. Tripura. Right? 2 A's.
Tripura
Tripura
Jagatta again becomes the there sound.
Tripura Trigajatwandya Trimurtis Tridasheshwari
Trekshari.
Trekshari Divyagandhadya Sindhuratilakanchita Uma Shailendra Tanaya Gauri Gandharva Sevita Vishwagarva Swarnagarva Varada Vagadishwari.
Very good. Nice. Anybody else?
Can I, Auntie?
Sure, Akshaya.
Tripura Trijagatwandya Trimurti Tridasheshwari Trikashri Divya Gandhadya Sindhuratilakachita Uma Shailendra Tanaya Gauri Gandharva Sevita Vishwagarva Swarnagarva Varada Vagatishwari.
Good. But here it is Trekshari.
Trakshari.
Yes. These are little difficult words. We'll get it with practice. Good. Anybody else? Nobody? Okay. All silent. Okay, let us do our final prayers. Any questions? All clear?
All clear.
You are understanding very well. I hope so. Good. Nice. Okay. अन्नपूर्णे सदा पूर्णे शङ्करः प्राणवल्लभे ज्ञानवैराग्यसिद्ध्यर्थं भिक्षां देहि च पार्वती सर्वमङ्गलमाङ्गल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थसाधिके शरण्ये त्र्यम्बिके गौरी नारायणि नमोऽस्तु ते सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः हरि ओम्।